Hi, I'm out in the forest with Handy GPS, and I've placed a traffic cone in the forest and I've set a waypoint there, and I'm using Handy GPS to direct me towards it. So as we move along, you can probably see if you see the screen, I'm going in the wrong direction, and it's telling me it's back behind us. So if I keep going forwards, it will keep directing me back to the waypoint. Okay, so it's telling me every 25 meters the direction, and every 100 meters it's telling me how far. So I'll turn around now and see how we go finding it.
Forward.
Okay, we're on track. Now I'm going to veer off the track to the left and see if it can redirect me.
100 meters. Forward.
Still staying forwards. Now I'm turning a bit to the left. Okay, so now it's telling me to turn right. So I turn right. Okay, so we're on track. Now I'm just going to see if we can find it.
25 meters. Forward.
Okay.
10 meters. Forward.
And here we go. And the GPS is telling me 1 meter. We're pretty much on our target.